thevoicebefore-the-void.net. The Wind in the Trees by S. Donald Cox. Read by The Voice Before the Void. Wind, wind, what do you bring with the whirling flake and the flying cloud? A victor's bays and a song to sing? Nay, but a hero's shroud. Wild wind, what do you bear? A song of the men who fought and fell, a tale of the strong to do and dare? Aye, and a tolling bell. Wind, wind, what do you see? The flying flags and the soldiers brave, the marching men, the bold and free? Nay, but a new dug grave. Wild wind, what do you moan to the frosty night and the cloud-racked sky? A soldier's cross, a father's groan, and a mother's helpless cry.